Hi, hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Chetak Creation. Today we are going to unboxing the scale model of baby Chetak and its modification.
And this model is very much famous,
And the scale model is available in online market. You can purchase using my description link. Baby Chetak from Ceny Toy.
let's we explore the scale model now. And this video will be a treat for all the miniature lovers.
Here we go with the Chetak model. Now we have dismantled all the parts from the baby Chetak and it's ready to modify.
Hope you will enjoy this modification.
I will show you now what and all the modification have been done in this model Chetak.
Stay tuned with us for the next video. Until then, bye from Chetak Creation. And please do support our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Thanks for watching this video.